In today's video, I'll show you how I made this Nigerian egg rolls. I have 30 egg rolls here, so let's get right into it. So I have 1.5 kilo of flour here, already sifted flour, and to that I'm going to add, or rather sift in my milk flavor, my powdered milk flavor. After sifting in my milk flavor, I'm going to mix everything together. Next, I'll add my sugar. So after adding the sugar, I'll mix together to combine. Next, I'm going to add my salt. After adding the salt, I'll mix to combine. Next, I'll add my baking powder. I'll mix everything together. Next, I'll add my melted butter. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so by hitting the subscribe button. Also like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks. So after adding all the ingredients, I'm going to make a hole at the middle. Next, I'm going to add water to mix. So to get this average non-sticky dough, I used 3 cups of water. And that also depends on the kind of flour you are using. So next, I'm going to cover it and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. So I have 31 eggs here for the egg roll. I have an order for 30 eggs, so we're going to cut out one to see how it looks like inside. Now that our dough has rested for 10 minutes, I'm going to be cutting the dough into 31 pieces, just like you see me do. So next, I'm going to start placing the egg into the dough to make the egg roll. So make sure to seal it so that after frying, you won't have an opening. Make sure to always dust your hand with flour so that the dough won't stick to your hands. So I have a total number of 31 egg rolls here. We're going to begin frying. So I have my oil in a pot because we're going to be deep frying. So we'll allow the oil to heat up a little before we start frying the egg rolls. Make sure your oil is not too hot so you will not end up with an egg roll that is half done and sticky inside. So we're going to continue frying until we're done frying all the egg rolls. You see our egg roll is ready to be delivered. So We're going to cut into one to see how it looks like inside. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. Also like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Okay, so this is it after cutting, and it's so yummy.